So welcome friends, welcome to Invideo AI tutorial. Okay, so in this video you will learn Invideo AI in depth, and you can create stunning AI videos. You can see create videos with text prompts, publish ready videos with zero video creation skills. You don't have to be a, a pro or a expert in video editing or proficient in any tool. You don't need to have any prior experience to get started with Invideo AI. So just get the link of Invideo AI in description and just tap at sign up button right here. You will find the link of this Invideo AI in description of this video. Now welcome to Invideo AI. You can join with Google, join with Apple, or just type your email manually. So I'd go with Google and make it simple for us, and then select your Gmail which you want to get started with. Right, go with this method, this email, and then just tap at continue, and we are good to go. You don't have to create your own prompt. AI will do all the work for you, and I'll be showing you how to do that. You can start an automation channel. You can see what should we call you. This is my name, and this is my workspace, and just tap at continue, and we are good to go. How did you discover Invideo AI? So you can select any reason, for example Google search, just tap at continue. How do you want to use AI for? Academic, creative services, filmmaking, I would say content creation, and just tap at continue. After tapping at continue, and we are on board on Invideo.ai. So just wait for some seconds, and you can upgrade for a paid plan, but you can see give me a topic and a detailed instructions, create a video. So I've already you can see create a YouTube video prompt for top 5 most popular social media sites of 2025. I will select this first of all. Okay, you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, anything which you any generative AI tool. I just given the prompt for, oh no, this is not a good prompt. Just type your prompt right here. For example, top 5 most popular social media sites of 2024. Create a video about. So just tap at create your sessions. You can see analyzing it, and it will create a stunning video for me. Just so you can see now this is a audience, social media user, marketers, tech enthusiasts. Select your audience, target audience. Okay, for this video you can see look and feel. What should be the look and feel of this video? Inspirational, clean, or bright? For example, clean should be the better. Platform, YouTube Shorts, Facebook. I want to create this for a long YouTube. Just tap it to continue. Wait for some seconds to let this Invideo AI create the video. So friends, our video is created. You can see social media giants of 2024, and it got images from iStock. You can remove watermark during export. Okay, so I have option to remove watermark during export. For example,
Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the top 5 social media platforms that are dominating the scene in 2024. Starting off at number 5, we have WhatsApp. With more than
you can see the best video created by this. Just tap at this export button. No watermarks. You need requires a upgrade to a paid plan, and I suggest you to upgrade this for paid plan. For example, let me export this without a with stock watermark because I have a free account, and select Invideo AI branding. So none, and normal. If you need paid plan in order to make it none. Okay, select export resolution. So 4K, 4K is open when you will get upgraded version. Just tap on this upgrade button, and you can see the pricing. $20 per month and 50 minutes per month of AI generation, 80 per month stock, and 100 GB storage, unlimited exports into voice clones. So this is very good, and just select any of these from the link in description of this video, and this is the method to create video using Invideo AI. Thanks for watching this video.